Hey everyone, so I'm back again with my natural hair update. So I missed an update for December 2018. The last one I did was December 2017. It's now end of March going into April, so I'm just going to show you guys where I am. I started my natural hair journey on October-November of 2014, and I've been through a lot. And since that, I haven't really I haven't done any perms, I haven't done any coloring, nothing like that. So the last cut I did was in July 2017. I cut off about maybe 4-5 inches just because I wanted dead ends completely gone. I had a few straggly ends. So I'll show you guys where my hair is at now. Yeah, so this is where I am. It's all completely natural. This is all that has grown back. I'm super happy because it's really grown. So one thing I've realized is since January I've been wearing lace front wigs, and this has allowed me to keep my hair braided underneath for a whole month. What I like to do though is every week or every 2 weeks I will take it out, wash it and treat it, and then rebraid it. It is a lot of work, but my hair has completely transformed. This thickness, sometimes it's so hard to put it in a ponytail because it's so thick, but honestly wearing the lace fronts and leaving my hair alone has completely transformed my hair, and treating it, keeping it moisturized and stuff. So honestly, if I had known how good lace fronts were, I would have done this from the very beginning, but I didn't know.